How do you react, by the way, sa mga taong wala ganahe sa mong gipang buhat? Or maybe nakagipost sa social media and then batay kay ilang mga comments, no? And wala ka ganahe silang gipang sulti dito, di ba? So, unsaon man na nimo? Unsaon mo na siya pag-react, ana? Or siguro ikaw ang mga nag-comment din ha, and then wala sila ganahe sa mong comment, no? So, unsaon man na to na? So, in this episode, we will be judging other people, okay? So, please stick around.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Emoha Podcast.
And by the way, please check our newsletter and other readable contents sa Facebook na to or Instagram or Pinterest, okay? So, in this episode, by the way, we will be talking about social media, clouds, rejections, and judgment, okay? So, sa dili ta magsugod atong paminahon kung kinsa tong sponsors. So, na-istorya nga na family na nagpuyo sa bukid, no? So, basically, ang papa ug ang anak, so, nasla sa umahan, so, nanom sila dito, no? So, during period to, of course, init kayo, di ba? So, mupahaway juga ana, magsilong ka, di ba? Kay init man kayo. So, ang mama, nag-prepare sa ilang paniod to, no? So while nag-prepare ang mama sa paniod to, no? So, na sila dito, nagpahaway-pahaway, nagtanaw sila sa clouds. And then, nga na ang bata ba na, kita ka sa clouds, papa, nga, ang clouds ba, mo magaporma o rabbit? So, ang papa niingon na, dili mo rabbit ang porma sa clouds, mukha man siya og sanga sa kahoy. So, medyo nalayan ng bata, kaya wala lagi na-acknowledge ang iyahang rabbit na iyang nakita sa clouds. And then, mukha siya gamugot, no? So, karon ang mama nakakita na sige magmugot ang bata, di ba? So, niapil ang mama sa istorya. And then, niana ang mama ba na, anak, ang akong nakita sa clouds, kay dili man sanga sa kahoy. Ug dili siya sa rabbit. Akong nakita actually, isang manubela sa motor. Mukha siya manubela sa motor, di ba? So, ang bata, nasa motor galain, pero nahibong na, nga naman si mama, lahi man po na iyang pananaw. Si papa lahi ako lahi po kang mama. Pero, usa man tani ka clouds among nakita. So, that's the end of the story. The point why I share this story is that because we have different focus in life. Like for example, ang mama, magsige siya biyahe, padong siya palengke, diba? Hato siya pagkaon sa duha, or during paniud to, or mag-prepare siya, diba? So more or less, nagsige siya biyahe, no? So muna siya ang iyahang makita na, because she's so focused sa iyahang day-to-day task, no? And also, muna makita niya, subconsciously, muna makita niya na mo siya manubela sa motor. It's because nagsige siya biyahe. Like for example also ang papa na sigig trabaho, 'di ba? Magsigikitag bukid, magkitag kahoy, 'di ba? So more or less ang iyahang subconscious na makakita siya na mo siya sang sa kahoy. So ang papa more or less mo po iyang na-focus din hadapitan, no? So that's why when you see things, lahi ang iyang ma-focus ana. It's because subconsciously nakakita siya sa kahoy, nakakita siya sa bukid. The same thing sa bata. Maybe because he has this playful mind and then siguro sige siya tabang sa iyang papa dito sa bukid, sige siya kitag mga hayop, di ba? And siguro wala siya kakita og unsa magina sa rabbit. So muna siguro ang iyang creativity nakakita siya porma sa clouds, da iyang pananaw is mura na siya rabbit. But all of it is actually because of the subconscious na mumugod imong perming makita, muna perming mong ma-focus, di ba? That's actually one of the point nga ako ang gi-share ni siyang story. It's maybe because of our creativity, di ba? Some people really want to have that kind of attention as well is because sometimes maybe makingon sila na I'm more creative than you, or maybe I'm more imaginative than you, or maybe I'm more funny, or maybe I'm more educated than you. So that's why they always get that attention that, see, tanawa, mo ni akong nakita, wala ka kitaan eh. So some people really want to have that validation in life ba na their opinion is really correct. So in real life, actually, you do things differently, you see things differently, but that's why we interpret things differently. No? That's why we always judging things differently and all the time. Like for example also sa ako ang gipost one time sa social media, no? Ako gipost akong Facebook page na makita sa akong mga friends, di ba? And lahi sila mga reaction, lahi sila mga comments. So, they're actually seeing the same picture. So, my reflection there is that lahi tag makita sa usa lang kabutang, di ba? Some will really want to get the attention kung unsa ilang nakita, di ba? And some will really give good compliments. And some will give you also the idea kung unsa gud ilang gi-focus sa ilang kinabuhi, di ba? Mailhan sa mga comments, mailhan sa ilang mga subconscious. So we cannot control their minds, we cannot control their comments, but at least we can identify what they're focusing at. It's because in social media, kabalo na kita na yung mga bashers, na yung mga trolls, na yung mga kitawag na tog avid fans, na yung mga loyalista, na yung mga attention seeker, and of course na atong mga friends, di ba? And of course, there's a lot of negative people also. Maybe your friends also nagpost og bati ng mga istorya dihan. And maybe that's their reality. Maybe tungod silang trabaho, maybe tungod silang relationships, maybe tungod silang financials, no? And lately, because of the politics, so muna ilahang mga pang post, no? It's because hapit na pong election, di ba? So basically, that's their present situation. That's their focusing at the moment. So, makaingon ta na, we have different things in life, di ba? So, It's like, for example, same thing with the positive people, or we call that one the positive-minded people. And they're always posting their status, maybe in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And they're always posting na, hi, salamat, no? Thank you, God, na inani, no? And also, they're posting sexy pictures, di ba? Or maybe shout-outs. So, daghan kay mga tao na mga na ba na, is it really needed to post it in the social media, imong life? Well, yeah, technically yes, because that's why they called it social media, diba? It's more on the social life. So if dili ka ganahan mo tan-aw og mga inana, then don't use social media. So that's the main point. So basically, that's in the social media world. So we cannot control their comments, we cannot control their mind, but at least in a glimpse that you can tell what they're focusing on. Maybe they're faking, maybe they're not. I don't know. But one of the things that I know is that we always judge people, diba? We always judge people the way we dress, the way we talk, the way we react. I'm not saying na wala po gono dili ko, I never judge other people. Of course, you also can judge me. I can also can judge other people, diba? And constantly we judge people, no? But by the time we judge people, what I can say is that we are always wrong. Why? It's because we always don't know the story behind. And if you really want to know the story behind, then some people really need their privacy. So mahug na nung kanon og chismosa, diba? So those are the things, no? And then always, judgment is always subjective. That's the way you see it, diba? And that's not the way I see it. So those are the things nga lisod jud kayo i-balance. So well, the same thing sa atong story about the clouds. So may masulti sa clouds. Because ang clouds, in reality, ang clouds, dili siya kahoy, dili siya manubela, dili siya rabbit, clouds siya. And that's why we are always wrong when we judge other people. So kung ikaw may clouds, no, so unsa may masulti nimo, and more or less siguro you can say that I don't care. It's because I'm just a clouds. I don't care kung unsa masulti niyo nako. So, and that's how we normally deal the judgment of other people, is because we all know that people are really creative, diba? And I think the judgments is always be the byproduct of the creativity. Like for example, the more creative you are, the more you can see things, diba? The more creative you are, the more you want to make more stories in your head, diba? Like maybe the naughty things, maybe the funny things, maybe the inspirational, or maybe I don't know, no, it depends on unsay mo masulti, diba? It's because one picture can tell a million stories. So that's the way we see things, because we see things differently and we see different things. So I think that's one thing I could say about judgment and creativity. So I think some people will say that I really don't care, but I think you really care actually, no? Because kita mga tao, we really care actually, no? In certain things we really care, but I think the correct way on how to deal things is that we care the people who really care about us, diba? Kung ang Seth Godin pang gisulti na, work that matters for the people who care. So focus on those people who really care about you, no? And for sure, you have those people who are really naysayers, or maybe they don't like you, or maybe negative people, no? Well, you can always tell them that thank you for dropping by, and maybe this work is really not for you. And I think that's really the things that I really want to share, no? And that's basically my final thought. So just maybe a quick question. Naka-picture out mo kung unsa man gyud ang forma sa clouds na nakita atong family, no? So kung nakita sa bata, or nakita sa mama, or nakita sa papa, di ba? So naka-picture out mo kung unsa na klase na clouds, no? So I think mo na siya, no? And siguro unsa man imong matambag nimo ana, no? So after all sa atong discussion, unsa imong matambag ana, unsa imong ma-advise nimo nako, or maybe sa atong mga kauban, no? So let us know what you think in the comment section below, okay? So I think that's the end of our episode, no? And I hope I really painted a picture in your head. And if you really want to show some appreciation of Emoha Podcast, so we are available on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Stitcher, Spotify, Pinterest, and buymeacoffee.com. No? So yeah, I think mo lang na siya, no? So ailan nyo kalimti, basta magluto, maglimpyo, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, maginusara. Kanina podcast para sa Emoha. I'll see you in the next episode, and I always love you. Stay awesome and take care. Bye-bye for now.